I'm telling you, if you want to post your thing, post your thing. If it's making sense, people that will
Good
do more for
evening,
you.
good evening, good evening, good evening. Benv lover. I just say let me show myself today. Like I've missed you guys. I swear to God Almighty, I've missed you guys. And I'll tell you guys the reason. Like the date that I fixed to be doing my live video, I don't know why. If that particular time reach, or before the time, they will, like NEPA will just carry light and the rest. Not that I'm not not that I'm not active, you understand, to come on live video. I tell you guys that no any day I cannot come on live video because I can show my real self. Even if I'm down, I can show my real self. You get? I can show my real self. Even if I'm down, I can show my real self. But just that there is no light. And the neighbor I told you guys that I'm working on have not yet completed. You understand? So I just come on this particular live video. Today is what? I think today is Friday. Actually, yeah, today is Friday. Then if I have one or two people, then we'll just discuss, ask a question on the comment section so that we'll rub mind together. That's just it. And I don't think I'm going to like stay for this live video for long. If there's any question, just please drop it on the comment section so that we'll rub mind. That's just it. Yep. That's just it. That's just it. It's your guy Benv. You guys have been asking me to come on live video, what's happening, this and that, through WhatsApp, through my this thing, through my normal short video that I mostly do, and that just like that. So I just say let me come on live video today that there is light so that we'll rub mine together and we'll keep doing it this way. And I told you guys, just as I promised you guys, you understand that this year is going to be bumper to bumper. And again, I need to be posting video all the time. But there is something actually I'm waiting for. And when that thing click, you guys are going to hear from me. And I'm not going to do it without coming on live video with you guys who are my family to like discuss that particular thing with you guys. That's just it. Then please, 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 if you allow me, let me see you commenting something. Drop either number one or anything at all you can drop on the comment. Let me see those who are active. Let me see those who are active. You understand? Because I'm aggressively active. You guys know who I be. Somebody who don't like hide his like himself. You understand? You guys know me. I'm somebody who don't hide himself. So tell me exactly what you want me to talk about now, like this. Mm. Ask me question about what you want me to like talk about. Either you are watching the video live or you are watching after the live video, the comment is open for any questions and anything you want me to come on the live video to talk about next, because this is new year and we'll have to like do something like very interesting so that we'll end this particular year in profit as a trader, because me, I've been sensing it since last year that this particular year is going to be a profitable year, and definitely it's going to be a profitable year for all of us and for everybody. And the promise I'll give to you guys is I will always be coming to live video, you understand, to bring up updates, you understand, that will like give us more view concerning the chat and everything. You guys know me that I don't hide anything. And concerning this bullish engulfing candle strategy, if there is anywhere you are confused, just let me know on the comment section or under any of my video. Just comment anything that you are, anywhere that you are confused. If you don't know how to use it, just let me know. Then we'll discuss one on one. You're not going to pay anything, just like that. You understand? We'll discuss one on one. Lil Bossy. Oh my God. Yeah, thank you for your comment. Thank you for your comment. I don't understand the language, but I really appreciate your comment. So you're highly welcome. So concerning the strategy, just let me know if you are confused. If you don't know how to use bullish engulfing candle to like make money from the market, just let me know under any of my video. You understand? Under any of my videos, just comment, then I will reply you. From there, time to time, I'll be making video or interact with you one on one. Then you understand how bullish engulfing candlestick work. And I make a promise in my last short video that I'm going to be like making more video concerning that particular bullish engulfing candle strategy. You understand? Because it's a strategy that I discovered over 2 years ago, and I don't want to hide it because it's making me money. Even today, I take a trade using that particular strategy. Like anytime you see me take a trade, take any trade, is that particular bullish engulfing candle strategy. And I told you guys that buying like bullish engulfing is when the market is trending to the downside and buyer stepped in. You understand? When sellers are in control of the market and it reach a certain level, a certain support level, and buyer step in. And why, like, how do you know that buyer step in into the market? Is when you see a bullish engulfing candle. When you see a bullish engulfing candle, either on the 50-minute time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, on the 4 hour time frame, once you see that bullish engulfing candle, just know that yes, buyers have taken over from sellers. You understand? And where exactly do you supposed to be spotting that type of candlestick is from a support level, because every buyer will not buy at the top. You understand? Buyers will wait for the market to like retrace down to a support level before they will step in. You understand? And once they step in, the aggressive, like the pressure of buy will make the candlestick that will make that particular candlestick to close and engulf. And once it's engulfed the last previous, shut the fuck up. No wahala, my bro. You don't understand. Just keep quiet. If you like, oh my goodness, don't confuse me, bro. If a market is trending to the downside, for you to know that yes, buyers have taken over, just wait for the market to come to a certain support level. You understand? Once the market comes to a certain support level, wait for a bullish engulfing candle, either on the 15-minute time frame or the 4 hour time frame. UD, I see you, my bro. I see you. Now you charge my energy. What was this person saying that I should shut the fuck up, man? What, like, do you know who he's talking? I don't know, but yeah, bro, man, I'm live, man. I'm live. So what I'm saying about the bullish engulfing candle, you just wait patiently for the market to reach a support level. You understand? Once sellers take over from a resistance level, you wait patiently for the market to come to a support level. Then once the market comes to a certain support level, you have to be patient. You understand? Wait and like see a bullish engulfing candle. Once you see that particular bullish engulfing candle, you see that yes, buyers have stepped in into the market and they will be in the control of the market for some times. You understand? And if you take that type of trade, like if you enter, you need to like put your stop loss below that particular bullish engulfing candle from that particular support level. You understand? Once you put your stop loss below the bullish engulfing candle, you'll be targeting the next resistance level, because once a market reach a resistance level, sellers will still step in, and once they step in, you will not know where they will take the market reach. You understand? You will not, like, from there is the behavior of the market and how the candlesticks signal you that you know that yes, sellers are stronger than buyers, or buyers are stronger than sellers at that particular resistance level. Then you know how to manage your trade. You understand? Then please, if you don't know how to manage trade, you still need to learn about how to manage trade, so that when you like see a sign of sellers taking over from buyer and you are in the buying trade, then you know how to secure your profit and the rest. Yep, that's how it works. And I will be bringing that every blessed time, because that, you see, that bullish engulfing candle is what almost all our professional traders are using. Just watch their video closely when they take a trade. Although maybe the type of time frame that they will use to enter their trade will not be the one that they will screenshot and post, but to watch their trade closely whenever they take a buy or a sell, you must see a bullish or a bearish. Thank you, winner. Oh my god, thank you so much, my bro. I appreciate your gift. I appreciate winner. I appreciate. Once, like, if you look closely, if you look their trade closely, you will see that before they enter a buy or a sell, you must see a bullish engulfing candle or a bearish engulfing candle, they might not like screenshot it from the from the candlestick, from the time frame that they take that particular trade, you understand, but just know that that is exactly what they use to confirm their entry before they enter, and I'm here to break it down for you guys. That is my this thing duty, my like that is my purpose this particular year. Throughout, I'm going to be talking about bullish and bearish engulfing candle, when to enter and when to like come out. You get, when to enter and when to come out, when to enter and when to come out, like the type of signal you need to get before you enter, and the type of signal you need to get before you protect your capital and put it on break even and the rest. Everything I'm going to do it live, either through my normal video, my short video, and on the live video here, because this live video there is no edit, you understand. The reason why I like to come to this particular live, come on live video, is because live video you are talking really, you understand, you are really talking, no editing, nothing, you understand. It's what you know that you are saying, and there's no way you are going to edit it, you understand. But if you make a video now, if you make mistake, how is it called, you like maybe stream that, like cut that come out, and maybe like if you are making a video or a short video, you can make it up to 5 times for you to get the perfect one, you understand. But once you come on live video, there's no way you can edit it, you understand. That's the reason why me personally, I love come to live video to prove myself that yes, this particular thing that I'm talking about is what I know, is my profession, you understand, is my profession. And if you ask a question, I can boldly answer you because I know exactly what I'm saying, you understand. So drop what exactly you want me to talk about now. Like this, I don't want to stay on this particular live video for long. I just want to like show my face for you guys, since the question is much. Not that I'm sick, I'm not sick, I'm well, okay. It's just NEPA that is frustrating everything. But anytime there is light, I don't think I'm going to fix a particular time or date for our live video anymore. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do well and subscribe and turn on the bell notification, so that anytime I come on live video, you will be notified, then you join us if you like what I'm doing here, because there is no sugarcoating, nothing to be hide, man. When I tell you nothing to be hide, it's nothing to be hide. That's just it. You understand? I'm going to say it the way it is. That's just what I'm going to be doing this year throughout. And there's a challenge I'm going to start, and when I start that particular challenge, it will be live. I'll be showing you guys the result live, and I'll be making short video, making long video to be showing you guys how it's going. If I'm making profits, you guys will be seeing. If I'm making losses, you guys will be seeing, because there's no way I'm going to hide a loss from you guys, and there's no way I'm going to hide a win from you guys, because this journey, some people don't understand how it's work. There is no way, and there's no way you are going to dodge losses in this particular space that we find ourselves. There's no way you are going to dodge loss. And but if you know exactly what you are doing, your win will be more than your loss. You understand? Even if your loss is more than your win, it's just for a moment. If you know exactly what you are doing, even if your loss is more than your win, it's just for a moment. It won't last for long. If you know exactly what you're doing, you understand, there is a losing streak and there is a winning streak. So just know that, so that when losing streak hits, that's so that you will not like maybe so that that will not weigh you down, because if that weigh you down, you will not know when winning streak will come, you understand. So just get ready for me. This particular year 2026 is our year, you understand. Benv family, Benv community, Benv lovers, this year is our year. And my own personal strategy that I know, that I like study very well, I'm going to be bringing it up. And that doesn't mean that you should go and change your own strategy. Just that I'm going to be like sharing what I know, you understand. And everything ends, like all the strategy that they are using, all of them end in both, like all of them end in support and resistance. Because when the market come to a support level, Either you are using SMC, you are using ICT, you are using any this thing, any indicator. Once buyer step in, your indicator will tell you that buyer stepped in. You understand? Just that we have different way of identifying when buyers have stepped in. That's just the thing. If not, if you want to buy now, you are not going to buy at a resistance level. No, you wait for the market to come to a support level. And when do you know? The only difference is maybe you are using indicator to like let you know when to buy, or maybe you are using a pin bar to let you know when to buy. Maybe you are using fair value gap to let you know when to buy. Maybe you are using different things. And the only advice I'm going to give to you is, before I end this particular live video, if I not get any question from you guys, is please and please, let me drink water. Please and please, don't allow all these grammars. You understand? The reason why I always talk about these grammars that is in the forex market is because some of these people that is in this space, they have gotten all the degrees from the best university, the best school in this world before they come to settle on forex. You understand? So they can see a candlestick and give it any name. You understand? And if you allow that particular grammar to enter your head, there is no way you are going to understand it, because you don't know where they get that particular name from. So you now, it's less for you now to create a space. You understand? A little GU, please. Okay, so a little space, you understand, in this particular large market, is less for you to create a little space and understand it to the core. You understand? Understand it. Make sure you stick to that and understand it deeply, so that you just stick to that. Forget every other grammars that is in the market, are all from all the professors, you understand, that come into forex trading to make a living. You understand? Grammar is not going to make you money. Forget all the grammars and create a small space for yourself in this particular industry. Then you go far. That's just it. So my brother asked for UDUD, asked for a GU analysis. You understand? So I'm going to share my screen, although I have not opened my trading view, but let me open my trading view now. I'm going to open my trading view now so that I'll share my screen. Then we'll do a top-down analysis on the GPUSD, so that we'll know the direction of the market. You understand? From the higher time frame down to the lower time frame. That's exactly what we're going to do. You understand? So let's see. So please and please, if I'm too fast, you can rewatch the video. You understand? I don't know if I'm too fast or not, but if I'm too fast, please rewatch the video, because everything I'm sharing is acts of experience and is what I know. You understand? If you don't know, if you cannot defend yourself, you cannot come on live video and make it, and you cannot even have the you cannot even have the guts, you understand, to come on live video. Who born you? If you don't know what exactly you are doing on the chat, who born you to come on live video? Eh? If you don't have oh my god, how am I going to put it? If you don't have the guts, if you don't know what you are doing, there's no way you cannot come and be speaking nonsense. No, it's what you know, and there is no expo. You cannot cram it from anywhere. Good night, my bro. I'm fine. La Vega, La Vega, La Vega. You're highly welcome. You're highly welcome. I see you, my bro. I see you. You're highly welcome. Let me check. Okay, the chat is open. Let me share my screen real quick. Levega, you're welcome. Winner gifts me 500 naira. That's very great. Thank you, my bro. I appreciate. I really appreciate Winner Tina. I appreciate, my bro. Thank you. Okay, let me share my screen. Real quick. Share screen. No, not entire screen. Window. Yep. Trading view share. Okay, let me see. Mm, yep, yep. Okay, thanks, my bro. You're welcome, my brother. You're welcome. You're highly welcome. Really appreciate you. Okay, share. Yep. I don't know if you guys are seeing my screen. If you can see my screen, please let me know on the chat. Let me know on the chat if you can see my screen. Let me know on the chat, please. Let me know on the chat. Let me know on the chat. Let me know on the chat. If you can see my screen, let me know on the chat. Then let me go. Baby, happy new year. Happy new year, my bro. Happy new year. Happy new year. I wish you all the best. I wish you a profitable year. I wish you all the best that you have been praying for. All your secret prayer will be answered this year. Inshallah. Thank you. Thank you, my bro. Thank you, my bro. Thank you, my bro. Winner Tina. Thank you. Appreciate you, my bro. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So this is it. Okay. Yeah. All right. Let me GBP USD. Let me share. Should I even make it larger? Okay, like this. Entirely. No, 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 no. I have to be sure. My face have to. Okay, yeah. It's okay like this. Let my face be down here there so that it will be larger for you guys to be like to see everything I'm going to do on the chart. This is it here. Then make it normal. This is an analysis I do because this is Euro USD analysis that I do. This is Euro USD analysis that I do. It's too tiny. Let me enlarge it. If I'm if I enlarge it, I'm going to like go to weekly time frame because I took this. I entered like put this particular sell order on weekly time frame. Do you know the reason why? Because I'm sensing that from like this first quarter of the year will go like it's going to be a bearish till maybe January, February, March. You understand? Then from April, we'll be seeing a bullish candle to the upside. You understand? What exactly I'm sensing when I do my thoroughly top down analysis is that the market Euro USD is going to be a bearish for the first quarter of the year. You understand? It's going to be bearish for the first quarter of the year because of the kind of pattern that I see. You understand? That's the reason why you are seeing this particular thing. I not do it on live. I just come on my screen to do a thorough top down analysis because I want to know how the market move from January to like first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, and the last quarter. Yeah, that's how like I want to be like see how the market is going to behave. You understand this year throughout. And it's not going to like stop me from making my normal videos. You understand? Just that I want to see how the chart will look like from the first quarter, then the second quarter, I'll see the behavior of the market, then the third quarter, I'll see the behavior of the market, then till the end of the year, let me see how it's work, let me see how it's move. And that's exact same thing I'm doing on a crypto, like when on crypto market also, you understand? So let's see how it's going to be. Either the market will like continue its movement on this particular first quarter till you understand till maybe this particular support level, but this is where this is this is the main support level I'm expecting the market to reach for the first quarter, this support level here, you understand? So let's see how it's going to be. But you guys should like bear me witness that the market is going to be bearish for the first quarter of the year. You understand? The market is going to be bearish for the first quarter of the year. Don't say BVFS did not see it. You understand? But it's not going to affect us that do normally do our normal scalping and the rest. You understand? Our scalping is going to continue both buy and sell. You understand? But the market is going to be bearish for the first quarter of the year. That's just it. Then let's go straightly to GPUSD. We are going straightly to GPUSD. This is it. Then is there any okay. Then still same thing on GPUSD, but I'm going to like do normal top down analysis, not how I do Euro USD. I do GBP USD, XA USD, and Euro USD that particular day, but it's not on live and I did not make video about it. Just only me on my studio doing analysis, visualizing what will happen in the next 2 to 3 months coming. You understand? So that's it. Let me see if there is any questions, let me see. Okay, let me see. Okay, let me see. Good evening, Disney Michelle. Good evening, my bro. You're welcome. Highly appreciated, my bro. Highly appreciated. So This is GPUSD and this is weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, what exactly are you seeing? Mm, what exactly are you seeing on the weekly time frame? Because if you want to do the week, like, market is going to close this particular week, is going to close in less than 2 hours 20 minutes. In less than 2 hours 20 minutes, this particular candlestick, weekly candlestick, is going to close, and what I'm seeing is going to close bearish, just like this particular two. You understand? Just that the only thing that I'm not going to like, the only thing I'm saying is that the market did not close bearish engulf. You understand? The first bearish candle did not close bearish engulf. It's not engulf this particular blue candle. You understand? This particular blue candle is not engulf it, like the market did not engulf it, but since this particular bullish candle, the market is trending to the downside, slow and steady. And that's exactly what I'm seeing on Euro USD. In the, like, for this first quarter, the market is going to be bearish for the first quarter before we see a bullish trend to the upside. You understand? That's exactly what we are going to be like experience. So now, like this, I'm going to daily time frame. Let me see what the daily time frame is doing. On the weekly time frame, I want you guys to know that the market is trending to the downside. You understand? This is the third candle closing bearish. You understand? Last 2 weeks is closed bearish, last week closed bearish, and this week is going to close bearish. So just know that the market is on a downtrend. See, we'll see a significant move, like maybe a bullish engulfing candle move to the upside before we'll see that yes, the market is taking, like, buyers are taking over. You get? So let me go to daily time frame and show you guys. Let's see what daily time frame is saying. You understand? Okay, this is daily time frame on my screen, or on my screen. And this is daily time frame on my screen. So what exactly are you seeing? On a daily time frame, if you look closely, you see that what I'm saying is, like, is right. You understand? This is bearish candle. See a bullish engulfing candle that's supposed to give us hope that the market is going to create another higher high. But after this bullish engulfing candle from this particular support level, let me mark the support level out. After this bullish engulfing candle from this particular support level, the market still retrace back down and break below this, close below this particular bullish engulfing candle. That shows you what? That the market is still going to the downside. And this particular yesterday candlestick closed bearish engulf, because this is a bullish candle and the market closed bearish engulf. And this particular candlestick, this today candlestick, which is Friday candlestick, is going to close bearish according to what I'm seeing. And even if it's not closed bearish, the Monday candlestick is going to close bearish and it's going to engulf the market according to what I'm seeing. You understand? We still have about 2 hours 16 minutes, you understand, for this particular candlestick to close, and I'm still going to do the analysis down to the lower time frame, maybe 4 hour time frame, so that we'll see what 4 hour time frame is saying. Either if we see a bullish engulfing candle on the 4 hour time frame, even if we see a bullish engulfing candlestick on the 4 hour time frame, there's no way, you understand, the market will go all the way to this particular resistance level and break it to the upside. No. You understand? You see this particular resistance level, there's no way the market is going to like break it to the upside. Once this particular, if this particular let me carry this arrow. Okay, if this particular resistance level break to the upside, if the market can be able to break this particular resistance level to the upside, means the market is going to create another higher high. But it won't be easy, because for the first quarter, according to what I'm seeing and according to the like reaction of the market, you understand, from the candlestick, because candlestick is the language the market speaks to us, is for us to like calm down and understand how what the market is saying through the candlestick. You understand? So from what the candlestick is saying, to me, the market is going to like trend to the downside. You get? Like, don't be surprised if you see the market break this particular support, this particular strong support level on Monday. You understand? Don't be surprised. Next week, if you see a break below this particular support level, don't be surprised, because what I'm saying is the market to like break and retest, then continue its movement to the downside, maybe to this next support level, retest again, retest this resistance level, then continue its movement to the downside. Something like this is what exactly I'm expecting. Don't expect the market to like go up and break above this resistance level. It won't be easy for the market according to what I'm seeing from the higher time frame, which is the weekly time frame and the monthly time frame. You get? So technically the market is going to the downside. So let's go to 4-hour time frame and see something if there will be a short term buy on GBUSD, or we'll just wait for the market to retrace a bit to the upside, then we'll enter for a sell, or you just be targeting a sell, 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 sell to the downside. Let's go to the lower time frame and look for that and see if there will be an opportunity to buy to the upside, or we'll just wait for the market to like give us, go to like a minor resistance level, then we'll look for an entry to just short the market to the downside. That's just exactly what I'm going to do on 4-hour time frame. You get? Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, what exactly are you guys seeing on the 4-hour time frame? What exactly are you guys seeing on the 4-hour time frame? What exactly? You understand? Okay, the market come to this particular area, break below this resistance support level. The market break below this particular support level. You get? This support level, the market break below it, then trying to go to the upside. You understand? Then the next candlestick, what is this? Which type of candlestick is this? This is a bearish engulfing candlestick, just like this. Just like this. This is a bearish engulfing candlestick. Then this is another strong bearish engulfing candlestick, and this is another same bearish engulfing candlestick. Maybe don't be surprised if you see it, like we have 2 hour 12 minutes for this particular 4-hour candlestick to close. Don't be surprised if the market close bearish, and even if the market not close bearish, then just know that there is, when you go to the lower time frame, like that kind of 15-minute time frame, there will be a fair value gap on the 15-minute time frame for that particular, for this particular candlestick to go and fulfill, like to fill before it will break to the downside. Because seeing this type of bearish engulfing candle on the 4-hour time frame, it won't be able for the market to go and close above this particular bearish engulfing candlestick, except if buyers step into the market massively. And even if they step into the market massively, there's no way it won't be easy for them to like take the market all the way to this particular resistance level. And highest, when worst come to worst, if the market wants, if buyer want to push the market all the way to this particular resistance level, they cannot take it above this particular resistance level, because sellers will be waiting for the market. Sellers will be waiting for buyers to take the market to this particular resistance level for them to load more. You understand? Because from the higher time frame, you see that the market is trending to the downside. So sellers now will be waiting for buyers to push the market to a certain resistance level. Then they will like load more, and once they load more, the market will still give a bearish engulfing candlestick and move to the downside. That's how it works. You understand? That's how it works. If you understand how it works like that, there is no way you are not going to know how to manage your trade. You understand? There is no way you are not going to know how to manage your trade. The only thing you need to know and you need to learn is to know how the markets work, is to know when sellers step into the market massively, and is to know when buyers step into the market massively. Then you follow it to the upside. You understand? When buyers step into the market, or you follow it to the downside when sellers step into the market. You guys get? I don't know if you guys are following. You understand? But if you are following, please let me see a response on the comment section, please. If you are following, please let me see a response on the comment section. Let it not be as if I'm just talking to myself. If you are following what exactly I'm saying, if you are understanding one or two things from the analysis, then let me see a reaction from you guys on the comment section. Let it not be as if I'm talking to myself. Yeah. Okay, I'm following. That's very nice. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I need more. 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 Thank you so much. You say you're following. That's very great, my brother. That's very great. And that is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to like try my best, the best that I can. You understand? To break everything that I know in this particular market down for everybody who would take his time to watch me live or to watch my video. Even on my normal video, I'm going to like try my best to like break everything down to pieces, you understand, to my own understanding. So please, 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 Disney Michelle, you say you understand. UD, you put a fire emoji. That's very great. I need more people. I need more. I need more. I need more. Do you add the concept of demand and supply to your analysis? Yes, demand and supply is support and resistance level. Demand and supply is also a support and resistance level. That is the support and resistance level that I always talk about. You understand? Demand and supply is another language for support and resistance. You understand? So don't get confused, my bro. Don't get confused. That is support. That demand and supply is my main major weapon in the on like in this particular space. You get? Because when market come to a demand level, you understand, when market come to a demand means is on a support level. You understand? Then when market come to a supply means it's on a resistance level. You understand? I don't want any bigger all these grammars. If you understand demand and resistance level, if you understand demand and supply, you understand, then that is also is the same as support and resistance. You understand? Support and resistance is the same as demand and supply. You understand? So don't get confused, my bro. Don't get confused. It's all the same. No matter the grammar they use, it's all the same. You understand? No matter the grammar. All these places that I mark out is supply and demand. You understand? It's supply and demand. The upside is supply, while the downside, which is the support level, is supply. You understand? Is supply. I don't see all these grammars in the market. You have to do away with grammar. The ones that you understand, stick to that particular one. Don't get confused. You understand? Don't get confused. Just understand how the market move from demand and supply. You understand? Because that is what controls the markets. Supply and demand is where buyers and sellers step into the market. You understand? Supply and demand is where sellers and buyers step into the market. I don't know, supply means support level and demand means no, demand means support level. You understand? Then supply means resistance level. That is just it. Resistance is where the market will like send, like restrict buyers. You understand? When, like, let me put it this way. Let me enlarge this thing so that you guys will see me very well. See, when like on a resistance level, resistance means where sellers will resist buyers. You understand? To cross to the upside. You understand? Sellers are going to restrict, like block buyers, restrict them, because them are the sellers who step into the market when the market reach a resistance level. Where a resistance level is where the market reacts. You understand? Is where the market reacts, maybe consolidates, then break to the downside. Once the market consolidates in any area and break to the downside, means that place is a resistance, because whenever the market move from from a downside to that particular place where the market consolidates, sellers will like to step into the market, because That is where there is a battle between a sellers and a buyer, and seller take over from that particular place. That is why it breaks to the downside when it consolidates around that particular area. I don't know if you guys are understanding. Let me come again. Let me come again. You see a resistance level and a support level. A resistance level is where there is a battle between a sellers and a buyer. You understand? And what make it resistant is because sellers take over from buyer. So there is a consolidation, there is a bargain in that particular area. So anytime that the market move to that particular place where there is a competition between the sellers and the buyer, the market will people will trip in again, because they know that that particular area is where sellers take over from buyers. You understand? Except if buyers is strong enough from the support level where it move from to that particular resistance level, because before buyer will reach a resistance level, they will gather more momentum from a support level. You understand? That support level where they will move from, that support level, there must be a consolidation from a support level. There will be a bargain, there will be a battle between a buyer and a seller. You understand? From a support level. Once buyer take over from seller from a support level, means they have gathered momentum. You understand? To reach the next resistance level. And once they reach that resistance level and the momentum is still strong, they are going to break above that resistance level. But if they reach that resistance level and people who are waiting to sell at that particular resistance level are more than people who buy from the support level, they are still going to send the market back to the next support level. And if the market is approaching a support level and the pressure of sellers is more than the people waiting to buy from that particular support level, the market is going to break that support level to the downside. I don't know if you guys are understanding me. I don't know if you guys are understanding me. I don't know if you guys are understanding what I'm saying. Am I too rush? Am I rushing it? Oh my God. Am I rushing it? If I'm rushing it, just tell me that I'm rushing it. Because there's a way, all of us need to understand how buyers and sellers interact in the market, so that we will know what to do. Understand? Okay, that's very great. So that we will know what to do when the market come to a support level or a resistance level. You understand? When a market come to a support level, and that is why I prioritize this particular bullish engulfing candle. Understand? And you are not rushing. Okay, thank you very much. The reason why we understand, that's very great, thank you. The reason why I prioritize bullish engulfing candle is because when a market come to a support level, for you to know that yes, buyers have taken over from sellers, is that particular momentum, you understand, that will give you bullish engulfing. And I've studied that particular bullish engulfing for more than 2 years now. You understand? If you have somebody who is watching my video from last year, you know that yes, this particular bullish engulfing candle, I've been speaking about it. You understand? Because it's what I watch closely to understand in the market. You understand? Whenever there is a bargain between a sellers and a buyer on a support level, and you see a bullish engulfing candle close above the last red candle, means buyers have taken over. Means that is the right time for you to buy. Then if you buy from that particular place, means you have joined those who buy. You understand? You have joined those who take over the market. You understand? Except if sellers still, before sellers will even take over from before seller will take over and the market will break below a bullish engulfing candle, then I don't know how they do it. From a major support level, that is what I've been using. You understand? That is what I've been using. I took a trade today. If not, because if I shake my phone, it will if I carry my phone now, it will shake the connection to the laptop. I will show you guys the trade that I take. And I think I make a video about it, but I've not posted because I post a short video in the morning. I don't want to post another short video that particular time because I make a video, you understand, when I use bullish engulfing candle to take a trade. Maybe I'm going to post that particular video tomorrow, but that's tomorrow. Yeah, it's today that I make the video, but maybe I'm going to post it as short tomorrow because I have not make any long video because I want my channel to like have a breathing space because the video is too frequent. You understand? So that's the reason. That's the reason why I do not post long video. You understand? So if you keep listening to my short videos, you will see that I will keep on breaking bullish engulfing candle down. You understand? I'll keep on breaking it down because you have to know when buyers take over from seller so that you will not be a victim of liquidity sweep. You understand? Because before you see that bullish engulfing, before you see that bullish engulfing, there must be a liquidity sweep. You understand? You must see a long wick to the downside before the market will close engulf. And once it close engulf, there is no way the market will go below that engulfing candle anymore. You understand? There is no way. Although it's not 100% accurate, it's not 100% accurate because of, you know, inside support level, there is a support level that is more stronger than, you understand? It's not 100% accurate, but at least know how, at least know how 70-80% accurate when you take it from the right support level. You understand? When you take it from the right support level, you understand? The reason why I base on this particular bullish engulfing is because I have taken my time over and over to like understand bullish engulfing more than bearish engulfing. And I keep on saying that what it's all about, what it's all about, what academy, but your pronunciation is not good. I'm not understanding anything. If you are not understanding, then here is not for you. Yep. If you are not understanding what I'm saying, then here is not for you. Yep. It's not for everybody to understand. I cannot change my accent. I cannot change my tone. I'm making my video for people who will understand me. You understand? So if you're not understanding, then you are not in the game. And it's not for everybody. Maybe you find where you understand. That's just it. So please stop that interaction. Then for whom? So I understand bullish engulfing candle more than bearish engulfing candle because of how long I've like spent, you understand, to understand how it's work. You get? And when it comes to like managing buying trade, I understand how to manage my buy, how to manage my trade when I take a buy, You get? So bullish engulfing candle is what I master to the core. So if there is any way you are confused using bullish or bearish engulfing, is like the both is the same thing. The both are the same thing. You understand? But if you want to if you want to use bullish engulfing candle or bearish engulfing candle and you are confused in any way, just ask your question under any of my video. You understand? And I'm going to respond to you either on a short video, because no matter how, if you drop a comment under my video, I always check my this in YouTube studio, you understand, to respond to people, because I cannot make video without responding to people who comment. I respond to everybody. So if you have any challenge and you don't have my WhatsApp number to reach out to me, you can comment under any of my video. Just say exactly what you are passing through, what you are facing, then we'll take it from there. You understand? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. If there's anything you want me to talk about again, just let me know on the comment section. Real quick. You are saying you understand. Many times is this way to master in English. See, I'm not in the like my bro. If you don't understand, please, then here is not for you. And you cannot teach me English. Nah, you cannot teach me English. No, sure you get right. And if you want to teach me English, let me know. If you want to teach me English, let me know. Yeah, but the truth is, you cannot teach me English. I'll speak the one my people understand. You understand? I'll speak the one people who will understand me will understand. Tell me if my trade style is bad. I place limit order on a supply or demand or other block zone using a $3 for $9. That is 1 to 3. It's not bad. Just spot a strong support level, strong demand and supply level. You understand? Then if you spot the right support and resistance level, just your stop loss will be above that particular resistance level. You understand? Then you say other block. I don't know if other block is if other block is how is it called? Fair value gap. I understand fair value gap. I don't know what other block is all about. I understand fair value gap. You see fair value gap, if you place your buy limit on between if you place your buy limit or buy order in fair under in fair value gap, just place your stop loss under that particular support level, under the support level. You understand? So your trading style is not bad if you spot the right demand and supply level. Then as we are doing that, keep your eye close. You understand? Keep your eye close and see how it's working. If it's giving you more loss than gain, then than profit, then you need to re-strategize. Then look for a candlestick that will form before the market will take the direction that you want. You understand? You have to have you have to get a candlestick confirmation. You understand? You have to get a candlestick confirmation. So you don't just put a buy limit or a buy stop or anything just like that. You understand? You have to get something that will tell you that yes, this is the right time to enter. But I don't know how your schedule is. You get? I don't know how your schedule is. Either maybe you don't normally have time with your chart all the time, but I don't know. I don't know. But whenever you put your buy order or your buy limit, let your stop loss be above the resistance level or be below the support level. That's just it. I don't know if you understand. I don't know if you understand. Your trading style is not bad. Your trading style is not bad. It's not bad job, but just keep your eye. Other block is the last bearish candle before a bullish engulfing or vice versa. Okay, before a bullish engulfing, the last candlestick before a bullish engulfing. Okay, yeah. When market if you see a bullish engulfing candle, once market close bullish, the last bearish candle, the market will come down and tap on that particular. If there is a fair value gap, I will call it I call it a fair value gap. You understand? I will just the way you set your buy order or buy limit is very okay according to what you just said now, according to what you just write. You understand? The other block is very, very okay. That particular last bearish candle, just put your buy order there. You understand? Because the second candle that will open after the bullish engulfing candle will come down to fill a gap. You understand? Because it will not like to leave any fair value gap. If it leave fair value gap, the market will still reverse back down. You understand? But it will not like it will not leave a fair value gap. It will come down and pick you. You understand? From that particular, on top of that particular red candle, that bearish candle, on top of that bearish candle, if you put your order there, the market to like the next candle will create a wick. You understand? A wick and pick you, then move to the upside. I don't know if you understand. If you understand what I said, if what I said comply with what you are asking for, just let me know. Some people for new. See me wey don old here, you think say you can humiliate me? Nah. Oh God. When I start something new, you cannot, like, nobody. You cannot just come and be commenting rubbish, then I will then you make me feel less of myself. I can never feel less of myself. Never. Is because it's what I know. I can never feel less of myself. I trade for charts and daily chart. Okay, means trade for chart means you are more like a swing trader. You are more like a swing trader, and it's nice. But like, hope you understand what I say concerning the gap between the bearish candle and the bullish candle, then the next candle that will form after the bullish candle. If you understand that particular this thing, if you understand what I say concerning that particular bearish candle, the bullish engulfing and the next candlestick that will form, then that's just it. If you understand, just let me know that you understand. I have less than 4 minutes to go. I don't even, oh my God, I don't think, like, as I start this particular live video, I don't, for my mind, I don't even plan to spend up to 30 minutes, but getting to an hour now, less than 4 minutes to an hour. Oh my God. Okay, like, if you understand, just let me know you understand. Okay, understand. That's very great. That's very great, my bro. That's very great. That's very great. So we have less than 3 minutes to go. We have less than 3 minutes to go, and I'll be coming to this particular live video time to time. I'll not wait till that particular time that will set anymore, because what NEPA is doing these days is not like before, and you guys know that if I'm waiting for that NEPA, then I will not be coming to live video. That's just it. You guys can see me live anytime. You guys can just see me live anytime, because I would like to, like, interact with people who will really understand. See, I'm not on this particular space for everybody to understand me. See, you guys, like, they're supposed to know exactly what's going on here. I'm not here for everybody to understand me. Yes, so you cannot from China and understand what I'm saying here. You cannot from Arab country or if you don't understand English or you don't understand what I'm saying, then you want me to change to your language, or do you want me to use what exactly do you want me to use? Like, I don't I beg go. I'm not here for everybody to understand me. I'm here for who would, like, understand me to understand. For people who can understand me. I'm here for people who can understand me, not for everybody. You understand? I'm here for everybody, but not for everybody. And nobody can humiliate me. It's my channel. And I'm here to teach what I know. Yes. I'm here to teach what I know. Nobody can humiliate me. You cannot even make me feel less of myself. Never. See, see, you cannot make me feel less of myself, bro. Mo pe o. See, you say what I'm saying you don't understand. This particular award that I get, their company is not from Nigeria here, but I get an award from them. You say you don't understand, make I change my English because of you. Aha, it go work like that? It won't work. It won't work. So we have less than 1 minute to go. UD, appreciate your time. Appreciate every one of you. You understand? I appreciate every one of you. Disney, Michelle, I appreciate your time. I appreciate every one of you. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Thank you guys for making me stay up till 1 hour straight. You understand? This is 1 hour straight. So see you guys when I see you guys again. I learned a lot. Thank you so much. Thank you. That's very great. Inshallah, that's very great. That's what I want. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Even if not just one person learn from my live video, I'm very grateful to God. You understand? I want to impart for free. So thank you guys. See you guys in my next live video. Bye for now. Yep. Benv is aggressively active. Aggressively active. You guys should know that. Aggressively active. You understand? And nobody on this space can humiliate me. No, just know that I know peace. You understand? Great content again. Thank you, my bro. Thank you, my bro. Thank you, my bro. I really appreciate you, my brother. Thank you. Yeah, man.